Welcome back. Today I would like to solve the largest number algorithm. It says return an array consisting of the largest number from each provided subarray. Here we have an array that consists of 4 subarrays. The first subarray is 13, 27, 18 and 26. So here the 27 is the largest number. In the second subarray we have 5 is the largest number. And third array we have 39 is the largest number. And in the fourth array we have 1001. So we collect all those largest numbers, we put it in a new array, and then we return that array. Let's see how we can solve this problem. Here we have two loops, loop of I and loop of j, which is nested loop. In the loop of I we check the first element, and loop of j we check the second element, and then we compare that. We find the largest number, and then we put it in the largest number variable. As we see here, the loop of I is 13 and loop of j is 27. So 27 is the largest number, and we put it in the largest number subarray. So here the largest number is 27. The loop continues. The loop of I is now 18. 18 is not the largest. We continue with the loop. Loop of j is 26. 26 is also not the largest. Our first subarray is which was 26 was the last element, so 27 was the largest number in the first subarray. We put the 27 in the result new array. The loop continues with the second subarray. In the second subarray we have, in the loop of I we have 4, and loop of j we have 5. So 5 is the largest number, we put that in the largest number variable. Okay, now loop of j is 1, and 1 is not the largest number. 1 is also the last element, so 5 is the largest number in the second subarray, so we put the 5 in the result new array. So as we see here, the 5 is now in the result new array. The loop continues with the third subarray. It checks the first element with the second element, and it continues like that. Now it is on the last subarray, which is the fourth array. In the fourth array we have the 86 is the largest number, and then we put the 86. So the 27, 5, 39 and 86 were the largest numbers in this subarrays, and we return the result, which is the largest numbers in these arrays. Let's see how we can solve this in the code. I would like to start by creating a function called largest of 4, as we have 4 subarrays here, and it will take an array. Let's create the final array, which is result. Let result equal to an empty array. Now we will loop in the array for let I equal to 0, I less than array.length I plus plus. Okay, now let's create the largest variable. Let largest number equal to array at index of I, the first element, which is 0. Now in our nested loop, which is loop of j, let j equal to 1, we will start with the second element. So now we will say j less than array of I dot length j plus plus. Okay, now we will check if the array I at index of j, which is the second element, if it is greater than the largest number, we will replace the largest number with that element is equal to array of I at index j. Okay, now once that is done, here in the result array we will put those largest numbers in each iteration. So we will say result at index of I equal to largest number. Okay, finally we will return the result. Return result. Okay, now let's test the function. We will say console.log. Okay, here we have an example. We can copy and paste it in the function. So console.log, largest of 4, we put the array. Okay, so let's run the function. Okay, here it gives us 27, 5, 39 and 1001. 27 in the first subarray is the largest number, 5 is the largest number in the second subarray, 39 is the largest number in third array, and 1001 is the last largest number in the fourth array. This was the solution for the largest number. Thank you very much for watching.